My shirt is filthy, but I came out anyway. I have to say how amazing it is to be working with Yochi. I've lost over 25 pounds working out with Dwayne. It has been like insane. His workouts are crazy. You need somebody to push you, Dwayne's the guy. Like, it's so insane. And you can't help but to like enjoy the time with him, just to enjoy the workouts, because really and truly, if there's nobody else to push you, he'll push you. That motivational, okay, I'm gonna send you over your meal plan for the day. Like, yo, this guy touches everything. It's to the point where everybody's seeing the results in me that they want to join up too. My husband has joined with Dwayne. My son, he's only 5 and he's into the whole martial arts, which is like amazing, because this is the child that doesn't want to go outside with the whole COVID, doesn't want to go anywhere, barely wants to go for a walk. So having Dwayne work out with us has been amazing. He's done it online. We've done Zoom workouts. It's been a good 6 weeks. We're going into our 2nd session. And I can't even tell you the motivation and the push, the drive that he has given me to complete it. Some days I'm like, I could barely move with the amount of exercise and stuff like that I've had to do the day before or doing it, you know? It's just like amazing. So I'm just like really here to like big up Dwayne and Yochi. Like, yo, I would not be able to do what I'm doing and actually get it complete without him. Like, I've already lost 25 pounds and I'm on my journey. I'm not making age 40 lick me and I'm still heavy and overweight. Like, I wasn't even able to move upstairs. I wasn't able to go up a set of stairs without breathing hard and taking a rest, or even doing the basics, like sitting down and tying my shoes without being exhausted. So, yo, the motivation and the push and the drive. Dwayne's into everything. He helps you with motivation. He helps you with your physical strength, your mental strength. And then he supports you in every journey and every step of the way. It's amazing. I can't even begin. Like, all my sisters, we've all done the workouts with him. It's like so much fun. He makes working out amazing. So I give props to Dwayne. And here's to another 6 more weeks. And I'm supporting, he does clothing, the clothing line, hats, shirts, like everything. So why not try out Dwayne? Yochi. Yep. Yochi Healing Arts Center Fitness. All in one. Props. Peace out.